Well, they said the plumber would be here around 9, and it's a little after 10. Well, I can't wait too much longer. I need to get this sink fixed. Well, is there any way you can contact him and find out where he is? Oh, I guess. Bye. About frickin' time, I swear. Damn plumbers. Well, it's about time you showed up. What's with the egg?
Oh.
Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa! I was just asking about the egg. What do you mean what I made you do? You're telling me I made you do that? Right. Look. I apologize about the egg comment, okay? I'm just a little upset right now. So... Want to come in and take a look and see what you think? Really sorry about the egg comment. Oh! You know, I never thought I'd have to do something like this for a plumber. Well, you know, I was expecting someone a little older. Hey, if you know what you're doing though, that's what matters. So do you know what the problem is? It's leaking somewhere under there. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Somewhere under there are the pipes, I guess. So we gotta take all this stuff out, huh?
Oh,
You gonna help or are you just gonna stand there? Yeah, there's a lot of stuff.
Well, everybody's heard about the bird.